Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on PC. So open any browser and search for facebook.com. Press enter. Now, once you're signed into your Facebook account, click your profile in the top right. Then from the option, select settings and privacy. Once you click that, select settings. Next, on the left side at the top, you'll see account center. Click on that. Now, on the left side at the bottom, select manage accounts. Next, on the right side, select the account you want to delete, then click on Manage. From the options, select Deactivation or Deletion. So here you have two choices, Deactivate account or Delete account. So deactivate account, so your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed, but you'll be able to continue using Messenger. If you want to delete your account, this is permanent, so your main profile and everything else will be permanently deleted. So you won't be able to retrieve anything you've added unless you cancel it. So choose what you want, then click continue. So choose the reason why you want to delete or deactivate your account. Select one and click continue. Click continue again. Then scroll down, read all of this information and click continue. Then put in your password. Then tap on continue to proceed. Now tap on delete account to confirm the action and your account will be deleted. So once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to cancel it. After 30 days, the process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So you can cancel the permanent deletion at any time before the process starts by going to Account Center or by logging into your Facebook account with your email, phone, and password. And that's basically it. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account on PC. Thank you for watching.